Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a festive glam look especially for Onam. I started by prepping my skin with a Cetaphil moisturizer to keep everything hydrated. Then I used the Recode primer. This really helps smoothen the skin and makes makeup last longer, especially during the long festive days. To even out my skin tone, I used Mars color corrector, focusing on the area needed extra coverage. Next, for concealing, I used Maybelline concealer in my exact skin tone shade to hide blemishes and dark circles. For the foundation, I went in with the Maybelline foundation, which gives me that natural yet buildable coverage. I have used K-Beauty loose powder to set the base and keep everything fresh. I applied a soft blush to bring warmth and freshness back to the face. Topped it off with a highlighter on the high points for that festive glow. I have used Forever 52 bronzer to contour my nose and add subtle definition. For the eyes, I kept it soft yet festive. I have applied a mauve shade all over the lids, blending it into the crease. It should not overpower your look, so keep the shade less intense. Also smoked it out on the lower lash line for a balanced look. Build the shade until you are satisfied. Then to add some drama, I have applied Forever 52 black gel liner along the upper lash line, creating a soft, smoky liner effect. Smudge it seamlessly. I have layered a dark brown eyeshadow on top. This makes the black less harsh and more wearable. I have gently smudged it so that the transition between the mauve shade and the liner looks smooth and gradient. This small step makes a big difference, creating that perfect balance. To finish the eyes, I have applied black Kajal on my waterline from K-Beauty. For the brows, I used Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pencil to shape, fill and define them, keeping the brows natural yet polished. I have used mascara from Maybelline to lift and open up the eyes. For the lips, I went in with a simple but flattering shade, which matches my sari. To define and fill in my lips, it's subtle yet complements the mauve eye beautifully without overpowering. Use Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Fruit Punch. And that's the final Onam glam look and perfect for celebrating Onam in style. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive and everyday makeup look. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ എൻ്റെ ഓണം ആശംസകൾ. Wishing everyone a heartfelt happy Onam.